very slick intro probably made you think that this was going to be a really professional tutorial, much like you would find on LinkedIn Learning. And I'm sorry to tell you that that is not the case, but hopefully this is helpful anyway, in case you're someone who likes to see something in video form rather than online reading. So here we are at our website, provolibrary.org, and if you're trying to find LinkedIn Learning, the first thing you're going to do is click on Collections and then select Online Learning and Research. And one of the reasons that it's important to access LinkedIn Learning this way is that this is how you get it for free. If you just go straight to LinkedIn Learning, it's probably going to ask you to subscribe, and we already subscribe. So if you go through the library's portal, that's where you'll get it for free. So once you're here on this page, we have all sorts of resources and databases, and I'm going to encourage you to explore those on your own. But to find LinkedIn Learning for libraries, you're going to go to Online Learning and then click Visit LinkedIn Learning. It'll take you to a portal that looks like this. If you want to bookmark this page, you're welcome to. This URL, again, that has Provo Library in it, is what's going to help you not have to pay for things. So you're going to click Get Started, and then you'll enter in your library card number. I already have mine. Don't use mine. Use your own. This is your just regular PIN for checking things out at the library, and then that will authenticate. And here you are in LinkedIn Learning. And from there, there's all sorts of places you can go, courses you can explore. You can set your trending topics or your career path, anything you want to do. So hopefully that helps.